What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Out of the Den. Today, I'm heading back from work on beautiful Route 5. Part of the 5 and Dime. Here in Virginia, one of the more popular rides in the state. I really love this route. It's got some little twisties, you know, great scenery. But today I wanted to give y'all a little tour of some of the land that came with the house we bought. We're all moved in. You know, still got a few things to unpack, but yeah, for the most part, we're all moved in and settled in. We're gonna start working on the rabbits again, get our rabbitry back up and running. We got the chickens. I gotta build the chicken enclosure, or put the chicken enclosure together, I should say, because it's in a box. After we get the chickens and the rabbits up and running, we'll start working on some gardening. See what I can get growing. And this is going back to the video about being self-sufficient. So, but I definitely want to grow, get a little garden going. I want to definitely plant some perennials like berries and fruit trees and stuff like that. But yeah, so be right back. Can't show you all where I live. I can show you the backyard though. Alright, now that we're home and off the bike, you know, this is part of what we're working with here. I'm really glad they left us this huge pile of firewood. You know, so got a fire pit over there, but yeah, as you can see, I got plenty of land to work with, and this is only about half of it. But back here, you know, everything, we're gonna clean it up, get all this debris, trim down some of these trees and the brush, and we're gonna have the rabbits back here so they're nice and shaded, and out of the way. Not sure how many hutches we're gonna do. I think right now we're gonna start off 2 or 3 hutches and then make it bigger from there. So the rabbits, they're mostly gonna be for meat and fertilizer. Obviously the rabbit's gonna be the meat, but we're gonna take their droppings, bag that up, and we're gonna use it for fertilizer ourselves and to sell it. But we are gonna breed some more domestic type of rabbits, and we're gonna sell those to make up for the overhead that it costs to take care of the rabbits. So the rabbits themselves will be pretty much self-sustaining in a monetary sense. So yeah, the rabbits are going to be over here. We're probably going to do the chickens around this area. They're pretty much going to be free range, and we're just going to put them in an enclosed completely enclosed, like a fence area or a fenced-in area at night. Just let them roam all over the place during the day, and then probably from like here and up is going to be like the garden. I'm definitely going to start off small because I know nothing about it for the most part, and then as I get better at the gardening, it's going to get bigger. Got me a little shooting range going on over here. Just some junk from the move. Couple car parts, couple TVs. Just stuff to shoot at and have a little fun, blow off some steam. But, yeah, guys, that's what we're working with here. So, I'll definitely be making videos as we're setting up the rabbits, the chickens in the garden, and, definitely gonna do some shooting videos too, maybe going over a couple skills, maybe sighting in a rifle or patterning a shotgun or something. But yeah, y'all stay safe, keep your head on a swivel, God bless, and what have you done to get out of the den? Peace.